Pinkfong. Click here to subscribe.
Think you can dance to the Baby Shark song? Then you're the perfect candidate to be the winner of our Baby Shark Challenge. Show the world your awesome dance moves and win cool prizes from Pinkfong. Here's how to join the challenge. Do the Baby Shark dance, make it into a video, and upload it on your YouTube channel. Then, submit your video to the link here and you're all set. Here are some of the best examples from our past challenges. Remember, you don't have to be a professional dancer. Just show us how much you love Pinkfong's Baby Shark.
Grandpa Shark, Grandpa Shark, Grandpa Shark. Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. Run away, run away, run away, run away.
We'll be receiving submissions until September 30th, and we'll select 30 lucky winners out of all the challengers. Don't miss your chance to win awesome and rare prizes such as Pinkfong microphone, Baby Shark scooter, and a box full of Pinkfong goodies. Have fun!
Play fun games on our apps. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.